Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change name or email in Agoda. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead and access your web browser and type in agoda.com. Now what you're going to do from this section is you're gonna go ahead and get signed in. Once you have logged in, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon right away like that. Go ahead, go to this option of, and now from this section you have to go to your profile option right over here. Now you will find this kind of section. You can see edit. Go ahead, tap on this edit, and now you can change your name and tap on save and you're good to go. Now if you have been wondering whether you can do it for your email as well, but you cannot do it for your email because that is connected with your Google account. But if you would like to change it, you can do it from your Google account itself and your name will be updated. Now that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.